Privacy. We talk about it often, but in a world where artificial intelligence powers more and more of our daily lives, what does privacy really mean? In this video, you'll learn how AI collects and uses personal data, the risks this creates, and what we can do to protect privacy in the age of AI. Let's start with the basics. AI systems are trained on large volumes of data. This isn't just technical information, it often includes public text like social media posts or forum comments. Unlike traditional databases, AI doesn't just store this data, it learns from it. That means it can detect patterns, make predictions, and influence decisions, sometimes without your knowledge. It's important to note that while public data, such as openly accessible social media posts, can be used to train AI models, personal data like your exact location, private browsing habits, or private photos generally cannot legally be used for training without your consent. This highlights why it's so crucial to understand what we share publicly online, because anything made public could potentially be used to train AI systems. And what happens once that data is used? It can shape how AI systems behave in the real world. This data powers everything from personalized ads to virtual assistants and automated hiring tools. But it also creates opportunities for misuse, where your personal information is collected, used, or shared in ways you never agreed to. For example, in 2023, a major data breach affected Concentra, a healthcare company that provides occupational health services across the US. The breach exposed sensitive records of more than 13 million people, including medical information, birth dates, social security numbers, and contact details. While the breach itself wasn't directly caused by AI, it highlights a critical issue. AI systems depend on massive data sets, often containing this kind of personal information. Without strong safeguards, there is concern about whether AI systems could, in theory, be used to gain unauthorized access to protected data, or whether data used for training could later be misused by AI for unintended or malicious purposes. AI is also central to surveillance technologies. Facial recognition, location tracking, and behavior analysis can identify, monitor, and even profile individuals, often without their knowledge or consent. While these tools are sometimes used to improve security or detect fraud, they can also violate privacy, lead to discrimination, or limit free expression, especially when used without clear regulation or oversight. Even data that appears anonymous isn't always safe. AI can combine anonymized data with other information to identify individuals, a process called re-identification. This undermines the promise of data privacy and shows just how powerful AI can be in revealing more than we intended to share. Let's stop here for a moment and recap the risks we've covered so far. AI can collect and learn from sensitive personal information, enable surveillance that may violate rights, re-identify people from supposedly anonymous data. But AI isn't just part of the problem, it can also be part of the solution. AI tools can support privacy-preserving techniques like data encryption to prevent unauthorized access, access controls to limit who sees your data, federated learning, which trains AI models directly on your device and keeps your personal data stored locally, differential privacy, which allows AI systems to learn from data patterns without revealing sensitive information, synthetic data generation, which creates artificial data sets that help train AI without exposing real personal details. These strategies reduce the amount of personal information shared or stored in central systems, and they highlight how thoughtful design can make AI a force for protecting privacy rather than compromising it. While AI can serve as a privacy protection tool, there's a clear need for transparency and accountability from the people and companies behind AI systems. We all deserve to know what data is collected, how it's used, and who can access it. Organizations must handle personal data responsibly, with clear rules, ethical practices, and oversight. Without these safeguards, even well-intentioned AI systems can cause harm. So, what can you do to protect your personal information in an AI-powered world? Here are a few simple steps. Review privacy settings on your devices and apps. Many collect more data than you realize. Limit permissions. Only share your location, microphone, or camera when absolutely necessary. Use encrypted tools. From messaging apps to cloud storage, encryption adds a layer of protection. Read privacy policies, especially when using AI-based services like virtual assistants or smart devices. Be cautious with AI tools. Some features, like facial recognition or voice cloning, may require extra scrutiny. Where possible, disable AI training on your personal inputs. Some AI tools, like certain large language models, let you opt out of having your data used for training. Taking small actions like these can help you stay informed and in control, even as AI becomes more deeply integrated into daily life. AI is reshaping our digital world, and with it, the meaning of privacy. In this video, you've learned how AI systems collect and learn from personal data and how that creates new risks, from surveillance and data misuse to re-identification and large-scale breaches. But you've also seen how AI can help protect privacy through encryption, on-device learning, and better data controls. You now know why transparency, accountability, and ethical design matter so much in AI systems. So next time you see the words AI-powered or data-driven, ask yourself, who controls the data? And are they using it in a way that protects your privacy?